Good morning, Bangkok. Sawadee ka. We are at the hotel. Today is our last day. Pupunta kami sa skyscraper, tawag nilang Manakon, and then Grand Palace, and then some few final shoppings, and then the park, etc. So let's make our last day super sulit. Let's go. I'm so excited to see the skyscraper. Let's go. Kanina pa naman ako gising. It's around 8 plus a.m. This is our room. Magbibihis lang ako at mag-ready to buy some things. Ano ba yun? Let's go! So, let's go guys. Nag-jacket lang ako. Tapos hatid natin to sa kanila. Cold morning. Cross muna tayo. Nakatakot. So, yan ang morning dito. Sobrang lamig. Naka-shorts pa talaga ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng view. Hooray! Hindi na masyado mag-traffic. So, we bought our breakfast. Let's go back to the hotel. Grabe ang GCash card. It works like a charm. Totally. Ilang ginagamit ko dito. Nire-refill ko lang ang GCash card ko. Tapos yun yung gagamitin kong pambayad. Except for other places like street food, ganyan. Kailangan cash. But overall, GCash is enough. So let's go have breakfast. Guys, nag-iinit ako ng water. vlog, we are going up after 30-40 minutes kasi pinasakay pa namin ang mommy, auntie, and lola ko sa taxi. They will go shopping kasi ayaw na nila sumama dito. So we are here at Manakon Skywalk. It's just like Petronas but Manakon, Thailand version. So let's go. Just took a photo of ourselves there kasi part siya ng package. So now we're entering the Manakon Skywalk. We're so excited. Kami na lang dalawa. Wadika! So here. Yan siya. Manakon Skywalk. So guys, we're finally here. It's the 74th floor and this is the view. Oh my god. So dapat next travel ko, another goal is another skyscraper. So tapos na tayo sa Petronas, tapos na tayo sa Bangkok. Saan pa ba mga skyscraper? Don't forget to suggest in the comment section. So this is my view at the moment. Whoa! So we had our photos taken. More photos pa in a while. Anong feeling din? Parang nabingi ako. Ganda. Parang ano din naman talaga. Taking the lift or the elevator now to go to the highest point, yung glass na kanina pinakita ko. So, kinakabahan ka. Let's go! We'll take photos na lang kasi bawal dali ng phone doon. So, let's go! Okay na pati! Go, Pink! Takot na. Our merch in the merch stand. More than anything, importante may merch tayo. So, bye, Manacon! So guys, I'm going back to the hotel alone. Kasi si Ping nandun na, may minute siya. So, I just came from that Manacon Sky Tower. Baba na tayo dito. Everything is so good. Wala namang ikatakot. So, walking down the city street. People don't care. Let's go. We are at 7-Eleven and we're down to our last
Gate 3, exit
7-Eleven moments in Thailand. So it's been a very great trip. I'm so grateful. So happy pa with the skyscrapers. So yeah. Bibili lang kami ng lunch ngayon sa 7-Eleven. And we got this. And other requested drinks ng aking classmates na inumin ko daw. Shout out Sophia Hatimio. So yan. Kami lang dalawa because mom and the rest are in the mall. Nag-shopping sila. So